ingredients. Ready, guys? So let's get ready to cook the pasta. I'm gonna melt the butter. We're done, guys. Now let's put some cheese. Wait till the cheese melted, guys. So cheesy and gooey. So yummy. Fun to taste it. The pasta is so yummy, I can't wait to eat it. It's the most delicious pasta ever. I'm gonna let my sister try, guys. Can you taste what my pasta tastes like? Okay. Yeah. It tastes really good, Logan. Thank you. Delicioso al dente perfecto.